Here's the challenge. Can I build a complete AI influencer from scratch before this video ends? I'm talking about consistent images, animations, even realistic voice lip sync. And the wild part? At the very end, I'll reveal a hidden tool where you can actually monetize your influencer and start earning from day one. So here's how we're going to do it. We'll start by generating a portrait using the AI influencer generator, then train the model, create images, animate them into videos, and finally bring them to life with realistic lip sync and voice. And once all that's done, I'll show you how to turn your AI influencer into a money-making machine from day one. Let's dive in. Quick thing before we start. If this video helps you out, consider subscribing to Simplify AI. It keeps you updated on all the new AI and tech trends, and it really helps me keep making more content for you. Thanks a ton. This is actually part 3 of my AI influencer series. If you missed the first 2 parts, don't worry, I've dropped them in the description below. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, if you haven't done this yet, hop over to APOB with the link down in the description. Click Launch App, and boom, you can sign up for free. Either use your email and a password, or just connect with Google or Discord. Easy stuff. Once you create your APOB account, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Creating your AI influencer is surprisingly easy. You'll start by clicking the Train a New Model button located on the left side of your dashboard. This will open the model creation window. From here, you'll see a couple of different options for uploading or generating a reference image for your portrait model. You can either upload your own image or use the built-in AI influencer generator to create one from scratch. For this example, I'm going to use the AI influencer generator. I'll click on the option labeled AI influencer generator in the top right. This brings up a customization panel where you can fine-tune your AI influencer's appearance. You can set things like gender, age, country, eye color, hairstyle, the fun stuff. I'm speeding through, but you can get super detailed if you want. For this demo, I've selected a female avatar that has amber eyes, combined 2 nationalities, Brazilian-Russian, has burgundy hair with A-line bob, and a diamond face shape. Once your options are set, click the Generate button on the bottom right. Keep in mind, this will cost 10 credits. After a few seconds, the generated portrait will appear. Review the results. Looks great! Just like that, we have an AI avatar. If you're happy with this image, you can click the Select this image as reference image button, and you'll be able to use it in the custom model. But if you want to make some tweaks, you can continue to edit the configuration settings on the right. Let's switch her hair from burgundy to gray and reset the face shape. Then hit Generate again to see the update. You can see there are some similarities, but the hair color has definitely changed, and so has the face shape. Once you've generated a few AI influencer options, you can review your history and choose the one that best fits your creative direction. Click on the image from the history bar and hit Select this image as reference image to lock it in. Now, give your model a name and quick description. I called mine Kaya Volnova, and added a little backstory just to give her some personality. Once you've filled both fields, you can toggle the model to be public if you want others to view, interact with, or remix it, meaning they can actually use your model to create their own media. When you're ready, click the Create Your Image Model Now button. APOB gets to work and starts building your AI influencer. Once it's done, you'll see the congratulations message at the top, and your custom AI influencer is live and ready to go. From here, you can immediately start using Kaya in your projects, whether you want to generate images, videos, or even movement and voice. Now that our custom model is ready, let's create some images using her. At the top of the screen, you'll see a text box. This is where you can enter a short prompt describing what you want your AI influencer to wear or how you want them to appear. In this example, I'm just typing red tube top, no hat, front view. Keeping the prompt short and clear ensures the model understands exactly what to generate. Next, let's pick some modifiers to help shape the final image. You can combine styles, environments, appearances, and even weather. For this scene, I'm going with a realistic style, placing her near a cliff in a vacation setting on a sunny day. Below the modifier panel, choose your image ratio and quality. I'm sticking with 9:6 aspect ratio and selecting the Ultra 4K quality setting for maximum detail. Once everything looks good, hit Generate. This one costs 46 credits. Quick tip, if you don't need Ultra 4K, lower settings still look great and save credits. Click on any of the results to enlarge them for a closer look. As you can see, Kaya is styled 100% as described, standing on a scenic cliffside in a red tube top under the sunny sky without a hat. The result is clean, photorealistic and perfect for a travel or fashion-themed post. Notice this bar of options? You can download, enlarge, edit clothes, and plenty more. Just mess around with them and see what works for you. Okay, now that you've learned how to generate images, let's move on to using Kaya in a video, animating her, and exploring how APOB brings characters to life. First, open the image you want to animate. At the bottom of the preview window, click on this icon to generate video. Next, you'll be taken to the image-to-video creation panel. Your selected image will appear in the middle, and a description box will appear on the right. Here, describe the animation you want to see. You can also add an image for an end frame, but we won't for this example. Keep your description focused on movement, expressions, and overall vibe. You can add as many shots as you want by clicking Add Shot. For example, in shot 1, I'll type, "She's waving at the camera and smiling." Then in shot 2, I'll have her sit down and gaze at the water flow. You can also choose a camera movement or just type it into the description. Next, select your quality level and video duration. For fast and efficient results, best quality works great. For a more cinematic finish, choose Ultra. I'm going with Ultra and setting the video length to 5 seconds. Keep in mind, pricing is per second. Ultra quality at 5 seconds costs 600 credits. Once you're happy with the settings, click Generate. After processing, you'll get a fully animated video featuring your AI influencer moving naturally in the scene you described. See that? She's waving and smiling. Then she sits down and looks at the water flow, giving us a lifelike result that feels captured on location. That's how easy it is to go from image to cinematic style motion. Next, let's explore voice modeling and how to give your character an actual voice. Start by selecting the image or video you want to animate. At the toolbar on the bottom, click the lip sync icon. This opens the lip sync interface. Reference image or video on the left, audio options on the right. You have 2 choices for the voice. Upload your own audio or generate audio directly within APOB. For this example, we'll generate audio. Click Generate Audio to open the script editor. Here you can type your own script or click Help Me Write Script to let the AI assist. I'll choose the AI assist. I describe the copy as Kaya, a travel blogger introducing her Instagram account. The tool generates a short, engaging script, which we'll use as is for time's sake. Next, choose a voice model from the dropdown. There are many, but you can filter by gender, age, and language. I filter for a younger female English voice. Previewing voices, I choose Amelia. Click to select her, and she's added to the Generate Audio tool. From here, you can also choose the motion. I'll choose Happy. You can also create a specific voice for your model from here, but I'm skipping this, so keep things tight. Click Generate, and the tool syncs Amelia's voice to our script. After a few moments, we can preview it.
Hi, I'm Kaya, a travel blogger passionate about exploring the world one adventure.
Not bad. For time, we'll use it as is. Click Select this audio to add it to the video, then hit Generate. APOB syncs the audio with our video of Kaya. Once complete, you'll need to download it to hear the audio. Click the download icon, save the file, and play it to see and hear the AI influencer in action.
Hi, I'm Kaya, a travel blogger passionate about exploring the world one adventure at a time. Follow my journey on Instagram for breathtaking destinations, travel tips, and stories that inspire your next trip. Let's explore together.
And remember at the start when I said I'd show you how to monetize your AI influencer from day one? That part's waiting for you right now. Just watch the video popping up in the top right corner or grab the link in the description below. That's where I break down exactly how to turn your influencer into a money-making machine, step by step. And that's it. We just built a full digital influencer from scratch, complete with images, video, and voice. This tech is moving fast, and trust me, we're just scratching the surface. Next up, I'm testing how to take AI influencers viral on Instagram and TikTok. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Oh, and if this tutorial helped, hit that like button and check the links below to start creating your own today. I'll see you in the next one.